Well, here's a beautiful cyber gray Corvette. I'll tell you, there are a lot of different color combinations. This is one of my favorite. This cyber gray is just a beautiful car. This is a 2012 Chevrolet Corvette, 1LT Coupe, 54,000 miles. This car is priced to sell. Take a look at additional beautiful photos and the pricing in the link right down below this video. Take you to all that information. This is cyber gray, as we said. On the exterior, it has an ebony interior, and under the hood, 436 horsepower LS3 engine with 6-speed automatic paddle shift transmission. Now, factory features include the dual mode exhaust, chrome wheels, CD, XM, MP3 stereo, has the front input for the stereo, OnStar, HID headlights, keyless entry and start, dual zone electronic climate control, dual power seats with side airbags. It has power windows, power locks, power steering, power brakes, power mirrors, tilt, cruise control, ABS traction control, and active handling. As we said, this 2012 Corvette shows 54,107 miles, and it is in good condition. This is going to make someone a great car and a beautiful car. It's going to turn heads. The car's paint is in good condition, has a great shine, and those factory chrome wheels are in very good to excellent condition. And as you can see, the interior of this 2012 Corvette shows very good factory leather seats, center console, steering wheel, good to very good door panels, and additions to this car include aftermarket headlights and window tint as well. It's a beautiful car. So give us a call today, and this car could be in your driveway quicker than you can imagine. Remember, we ship nationwide every week from here at vg-exc, and we make buying online something you can do with ease, but most importantly with confidence. So if you'd like to know more about this Corvette or any of the huge number of Corvettes in stock here in our Atlanta, Georgia dealership, you can give one of our sales representatives a call at 770-414-5552. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you do, hit the notification button and you'll see every new car that comes to our showroom floor. Again, we're vg-exc in Atlanta, Georgia. We hope to be your ultimate Corvette buying experience. Give us a call. This is a beautiful car. It could be yours.